Module 1 Engineering Graphics. We have projection of points and projection of lines. Before moving to the main topics, we have to go through the fundamentals of engineering graphics, that is called quadrant concept. What do you mean by quadrants? This is the clear image or a three-dimensional image of a four-quadrant concept in an engineering graphics. From the observer, that is we are observing the object from front, from this side, and we are placing the object in different quadrants: first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, or in fourth quadrant. Based upon the quadrants, we have different projections, and we can develop or we can draw the projection in a piece of paper or in a book, depends upon the position or the placement of the object in quadrants. So when we are moving to the line diagram or two-dimensional view, this is the two-dimensional view of the quadrant concept. First quadrant is like this, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. And we can simply say that this is an y-axis, this is x-axis, and these axes are separating the four quadrants. So first and second quadrant are above this x line, and third and fourth quadrant are below the line, horizontal line. Also, the vertical line separates first quadrant, fourth quadrant. Also, it separates second quadrant and third quadrant. So this is the way that we are separating, or we are placing the objects in different quadrants. So we can move once again the detailed view of this quadrant concept in a very simple manner. This is called first quadrant, and this place is called the second quadrant. This is called third quadrant, and this is called fourth quadrant. So first quadrant means it is some distance above HP and some distance in front of VP, or the objects are placed above HP and in front of VP. We are calling it like that. An object is placed in the first quadrant means the object is placed some distance above HP and some distance in front of VP. If an object is placed in the second quadrant, it means the object is placed behind VP and above HP. Clear? Object is placed in the second quadrant, that indicates object is placed behind VP and above HP. So similarly, when moving to the third quadrant, the object is placed in the third quadrant. That means object is placed below HP and behind VP. Below HP and behind VP. Similarly, in fourth quadrant, the object is placed in the fourth quadrant. That means object is placed below HP and in front of VP. That is very important, in front of VP, because the observer is here and the behind portions are coming like these positions, and the front views are in front. In front means in first quadrant or in fourth quadrant. Behind means second quadrant or in third quadrant. Above HP means first quadrant or second quadrant. Below HP means third quadrant or in fourth quadrant. I think from these explanations you can understand what are the basic concept of this four quadrant system. We can move some more detailed topics with respect to this quadrant concept. First we are going to the points, and then we move to the lines. Let us move to projection of points in four quadrants. So this is the concept, that is a point in the first quadrant, point in the second quadrant, point in the third quadrant, and also point in the fourth quadrant. So when we position a point in first quadrant, we can imagine that the point is placed some distance above HP and some distance in front of VP. When point is placed in the second quadrant, so when a point placed in the second quadrant, it means the point is at a distance, some distance behind VP and some distance above HP. Point placed in the third quadrant means the point is placed below HP and behind VP. And point placed in the fourth quadrant means the point is below HP and in front of VP. We can move more about this concept in detail on the later videos. Thank you for watching, and you basic understanding of this particular topic can be cleared. I think so. We can move to the detailed topic of each projections on different quadrants in detail in next videos. Thank you.